Hey, this is Dr. P. You got a problem with your knee? Call Dr. P. I got a great team here. As you can see, I really want to give a heartfelt thanks to Tammy and Eric Lukowski, who posted this very kind social media post earlier. And it's a true testament to the entire team at Victory, and especially our VFit, in other words, Victory Fitness staff. You have Eric, the patient, in the center. You also have on the left, going from left to right, Dr. Zachary Kaplan, Doctor of Physical Therapy. You have Andre DeJesus, who is a physical therapy assistant, next to him on his left. Then on Eric's left, you have Adam Larson, certified athletic trainer. And to his left, you have Luci Vigliotti, who is also a physical therapy assistant. Having said that, all four of these gentlemen are certified strength and conditioning specialists, and all four of them have higher level certifications. So they are not, quote, just, end quote, standard physical therapists or physical therapy assistants or athletic trainers, which sets them apart in and of itself. They're highly trained in that regard, but they're also the next level as far as a personal trainer, a personalized, medicalized fitness trainer. They all have higher certifications in strength and conditioning. As you can see, Eric has done great. He came to us in September of 2023 after sustaining a terrible left ankle fracture when he was in Ohio cutting down a tree. The surgeon in Ohio did an amazing job putting his ankle back together with a bunch of plates and screws. He came back to the Auburn, New York area where he lives. He came to see us, and he started working with our VFit staff. They did an amazing job on his ankle, but as they were doing that, his knee started to flare up. He had undergone a remote left ACL reconstruction in the past, and he also had an arthroscopy to, quote, clean the knee, end quote, the interim. But we know that ACL tears lead to arthritis in the knee, especially we know that ACL reconstructions do a great job restoring stability and function, but they don't prevent arthritis. So he has some post-traumatic secondary arthritis in that left knee. That started flaring up. He decided to undergo the regenerative procedures in the left knee. He decided to undergo the entire knee repair, not knee replacement program, and continue working on his ankle. And I think the results speak for themselves. This staff has done a great job. He says he feels, he's never felt better since high school. I mean, I think that says it all. So Eric, great job to you because you put in the hard work. Victory VFit team, you guys are the best. And this is not your, quote, standard, end quote, 20-minute physical therapy assembly line operation. These guys are working with Eric an hour at a time, sometimes longer, sweating like crazy, and that's the difference. So we don't do, quote, physical therapy, end quote, at Victory. We do VFit, and that's our own thing. And I think if you come see, you'll see the difference. And great job, team. Great job, Eric. And Tammy and Eric, thank you very much for this post. Greatly appreciated.